Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So this is live price prediction of Cardano, my brother, and today we will discuss about the last days of this month, my brother. Price change occurring, price target to what's possible, my friend. What's the price possible to they will hit this target, and can they will give you a profit in upcoming days or not, my brother? And what's the opinion? Can this is good for investment or not, my brother? Everything with detail I am going to explain you. But kindly, if you are new my channel, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, my brother. The live price prediction absolutely I am going to do, but this time, as you can see here, the price. So the price in last my friends 2 days, Cardano will jump very high jump, my brother, and absolutely very urgent jump. As you can see, this is very short jump, but it's a very unbelievable massive pump occur, my brother. As you can see here, after a very long time, my brother, continuously Cardano will starting moving upward, as you can see here this time. But sometime, my friend, they will take a jump like that. So this is a very massive jump, and absolutely short time investor, this is the main reason is that, my brothers, they will take this type jump, because the short time investor, they are starting buying, and they are hold, so therefore they will moving upward. If you are holder, my brother, of Cardano in the same time, so congratulations, my brother. This time, absolutely, the price is very high now, and I hope in upcoming time the price is more and more increasing now. So they will give my friends $2 easily, just in a few days, my brother. Absolutely, this is possible, my brother. Don't worry. All right, and at the end of month, can this is possible to they will hit 2.5 USD dollar. Yes, my brother. The expert says to this is possible if they will just in only get 20% profit, and this time, as you can see here, this is 34% profit in the price change occur. But if they just in only, my friend, hit 20% profit, so at the end of month it is possible to they will give you 2.5 USD dollar, my brother. So we need, my brothers, to hold and wait for the end of month if you are already holder. But if you have any plan to invest more, so go now, invest now. I hope they will give you a profit. Thanks for watching, Cardano holder. Please like video and subscribe channel.